Okay, so today we're going to look at enabling data dedupe on Windows Server 2019, so let's get logged in and get started. So first we need to click on Add Roles and Features, and then follow through the guide, and select File and Storage Services, and select Data Deduplication. And click Next, and we'll allow this server to reboot if it likes, and click Install. Okay, that'll take a few seconds to install. Just wait until that finishes, it shouldn't take too long. Okay, that's done. So close the wizard down, and we can go on to volumes on file and storage services, and you'll see that you aren't able to enable data deduplication on the system drive, so let's go ahead and make a data partition. We'll shrink this disk just by 20 gig just for an example. Okay, that'll give us another volume. We can create a 20 gig disk there just to show how it works. Okay, so now we've got a new volume. Let's give it a quick refresh and we should be able to enable data dedupe. Yep, so now we've got the option. We can stick with a general purpose file server, and we can set a schedule to enable the optimization. Do it at a time that's not going to run into your backups or going to run into any other kind of activity on your network. Set it for a duration and click OK. Okay, now we're going to need to transfer some files to the data disk, so let's put a Server 2016 ISO 5.7 gig and we'll duplicate it a few times just to fill the disk up. And I'll speed this bit ahead because it takes quite a while. Okay, so we've got 2 copies, let's just create another one, so we've got 3, and that should fill the disk up quite nicely. Okay, let's now pop into PowerShell and we'll start or manually start a data deduplication job on volume E with an optimization type, and we'll ask it to use 50% of our memory. Okay, so the job's now queued. If we run get dedupe job, we should see the job is running. Okay, so that's probably because the data dedupe days was on set to 3, so let's set it to 0 so it dedupes instantly. Yep, and that looks better, so it's queued, and if we run get dedupe job, yeah, so now it's running. Okay. Run a few refreshes on the disk, we should see the size increase, and then eventually it should, yeah, so there we go. Looks to have almost settled down now, we should see about 15 gig free. Yeah, I think that's just about done now. Yeah, get dedupe job, so that's completed. And you can see it's only using 4.92 gig on the actual disk, but in total, excuse me, this actually equates to 16.40 bytes on disk because the files are actually stored in the chunk store. So we can still mount the files, they're still perfectly accessible and work independently. So we can browse the ISO, all fine. You can see that we've now got 15 gig free on the disk, although we've got 16 gigs of files. Yep, just to show you, got 11.9 gig dedupe saving, that's a 70% duplication saving.